Hey everyone! Quick question before we dive in. Ever found yourself watching a baseball game and stumbled on pronouncing a famous player's name? Well, you're not alone. Today we're tackling a big one, Derek Jeter. You might know him, but do you know how to say his name like a true fan? Let's break it down. First, Derek. 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 Sounds like Derek, rhyming with Eric. Easy, right? Now, the trickier part, Jeter. 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 Think of it like Jeter, where G rhymes with B. Now, can you do it? Say it with me. Derek Jeter. Got it? If you nailed it, why not drop a comment below? And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us. The best pronunciation might just win a special shout-out in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quirky pronunciation guides. Catch you in the next one.